just boiling up some broccoli and carrots, and let me just actually, while I'm here, I'll throw in some oregano. Oregano is fantastic, helps the immune system, so I'm going to put loads of that in there. I really do like my oregano. Stuff some grease. Oh, it's all got steamed up. And basically, let me turn the heat down. Try and eat as much greens and vegetables at the moment as you can. And I'm going to obviously put some salt, pepper in there, and I'm just going to be plating it up with some spinach and some lemon on top of that, with some olive oil, and I'm going to have some pita bread. I'm just going to put some fresh spinach over that as well. And anyway, when I plate it up, I'll show you. Coming back to the meal quickly, as soon as I've got the onion here, it's actually very dry. It tastes a little bit like wood shavings until you get some liquid into it, and then it starts tasting like really lovely, delicious actually. And what I'm actually going to do, I'm going to take some of that and sprinkle it into my meal. I've never really used dry onion before. It tastes really nice. Let me sprinkle some of that in there. I'm also going to be adding some spinach to this meal, although it looks very simple. But you know, the simple meals are the best. Just keeping it simple, nice and healthy. Of course, with the addition of the lemon and the olive oil, it's going to taste delicious, believe me. Any vegetarians out there, vegans out there, you probably know what that tastes like. So let me just sprinkle a little bit more in there, and then let that boil away. So yeah, transfer it into some jars. That way it's easy when you're cooking, you can just whack it into your meal. Might as well give that a little stir. It's got the oregano in there. It's got the dried onion in there. Obviously carrots and broccoli. I do like carrots and broccoli. I'm probably going to be sprinkling a little bit of cheese on it when I'm finished. Actually, when I plate it up, I'll show you my meal for the evening. And I'll be having some nice grilled pita bread with that as well, a couple of those probably. So yeah, I'll show you what that's like when it's plated up. Okay, so my food's ready. Just wanted to show you how I like my vegetables. As you can see, I love spinach. I practically eat spinach every other day. And you can see my carrots, broccoli are I like them quite well done. I also added some garlic in here as well. I've got salt, pepper, oregano, onions. I tried the dry onions, as you can see there, some garlic. So as I was saying, salt, pepper, oregano, onions, garlic. Also put some olive oil in here as well. Okay, so what I do, let me just plate up for you. So yeah, I just throw it on there basically. I do love broccoli and carrots very much. And just put it on a bed of spinach. As you can see, I've got some pita bread there as well. I just whack that under the grill. Just add a few more carrots in there. Yes, I suppose, yeah, I'm going to drink this as a soup as well. You could just drizzle that on there. Mind you, it'd probably be better if I used a spoon. Let me get some more garlic on there. As you can see, it's steaming hot. I love my spinach raw. I like garlic raw actually as well. Let me see, let me actually get a spoon. Very tasty. Just drizzle some of that on there. Of course, it's got the oregano. Very good for you is oregano. Okay, I'm not going to eat it with a spoon, I'm going to use a knife. So what you do, get some lemon over that. Very nice, very tasty. Don't worry about the seeds, you can pick them out as you're eating. And last but not least, you can drizzle a bit more olive oil on the top of that. And then you grate some cheese. I can tell you something, guys and girls, it's really delicious. Okay, don't overdo it with it. I do like a bit of cheese, okay. It's a little bit of a weakness of mine. But there we have it. Let me just tidy up a little bit. So while I was putting my mylar bags together, my caches, I thought I'd cook myself something to eat. And there we have it. No particular name for this dish. I mean, I wasn't even going to do a video on food. I'm not going to eat it with a spoon. Just going to use a fork. So there we have the spinach, broccoli and carrots with garlic. Actually, while we're on the video, I'll just have a little taste test. Always taste your food. Bit of spinach as well. That is absolutely delicious, guys. So moving on the video to the caches.